Governor, you've taken some very bold action on interest rates only last month as well, cutting by an almost unprecedented 50 basis points as well. Do you feel now that you're in the right place and that we're near the very end of the rate cutting cycle, or actually are you still concerned about the threat of deflation on the Swiss economy?
So in December we cut interest rates from 1% to 0.5%. The reason was that inflation came down in the last months, and also inflationary pressure has eased. In the short term because of energy, food prices for example, and in the medium term it's more like less second round effects that led to a lower inflation forecast, and this led us to have this rate cut by half a percentage point.
In terms of where we go next on interest rates, I'm not expecting you to tell me what the next move is from the SNB, but equally so, a lot of people have been having the conversation about whether we could actually now get to negative rates, being as we're only at 0.5% at the moment as well. What's your view on the possibility of negative rates for the Swiss economy?
So inflation in Switzerland is now at 0.6%. This is within the range of price stability. And also the inflation forecast that we just published in December is within the range of price stability over the whole forecasting horizon. That said, we can never exclude any measure. And I can also tell you that in Switzerland no one likes negative interest rates. Also the Swiss National Bank doesn't like interest rates, but we cannot exclude it. If necessary, we will do it.
And where would inflation need to be before you have to think about negative rates as well? You mentioned we're around about 0.6% at the moment on inflation. Are we talking zero, or actually are we talking a deflationary level?
So our mandate is price stability. We define price stability as an inflation from 0 to 2%, but temporary. Inflation can also be outside of the range. So we have this as a medium target. In the medium term, inflation has to be inside this range. So we have quite some flexibility.